Hello all, hope you all are doing well. In this video I am going to explain the word problem of chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression of class 10th, okay, of exercise 5.2. In this word problem it is given that the 31st term of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, we have to find out whose 11th term is given as 38 and the 16th term is given as 73. So we have to find out the 31st term. Okay. So there are so many unknown quantities that we need to find. Like the first term we have to find first, then the common difference. Okay. And then we are required to find the 31st term of the AP. Okay, children? So children, we know that in arithmetic progression, in order to find any term, the general formula of that is A plus n minus 1d. Okay, where an is the nth term, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. So we are having two quantities that we need to find out first in order to find the 31st term, that is a and d. Okay, so let's see how to find out. Okay, the 11th term will be given as a plus n minus 1d, that is, and the 11th term is given as 38. A we don't know, so we will write as it is. N here is 11 minus 1. D also is unknown here, so we have to write as it is. Okay, so 38 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10D. And write this equation that we have got as equation number 1. Okay, now we have to find out the 31st term in order. Okay, so first one more thing is given. It is given as that 16th term is 73. The 16th term of the AP is given as 73. So that will be equal to A16 is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Always write the formula, okay, in order to make it more clear. Okay, so the 16th term here is 73. So in place of this we have to put its value as 73 is equal to A plus n is your 16. So 16 minus 1d, that is 73 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 is 15, 15d. And now write it as equation number 2. Now the next step we have to follow is that we have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So on subtracting equation 1 from 2, okay, subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Okay, change the sign. So here 13 minus 8 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3. 25 is equal to plus a minus a will get cancelled and 15d minus 10d will be 5d. Okay, now 5 is multiplied here. So when it is divided, 5 ones are 5, 7 5s are 25. So the value of d is equal to 7. So we got one unknown quantity here. Now we have to find the value of a. Okay, so we can put the value of d either in equation number 2 or 1 in order to find the value of a. So it will be on putting value of d in equation 1. Okay, so it will be 30. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. 38 is equal to, A we don't know, so we will write as it is, then 10 into, what is the value of D here? 7. So we will put the value as 7. Okay. So it will be 38 is equal to A plus 70. Now plus 70 will go this side, so it will be 38 minus 70 is equal to your A. And 70 minus 38 will be your 32. Minus 32. Why? Because the bigger quantity 70 is having the negative sign. So it will be minus 32. So we got the value as minus 32. Now in order to find the 31st term, we have got both the unknown quantities, the common difference also we got, and the first term also we got. Okay. Now we will put in the general formula for finding out the 31st term. To find the 31st term, the general formula will be A plus n minus 1 is equal to, in place of A we will write the value as 32 minus 32 plus we are finding out the 31st term, so we will write as 31st minus 1 and D will be your 7. Okay. Now it will be minus 32 plus 30 minus 1 is 30 into 7. Okay. So it will be minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is your 210. Okay. And then minus plus is your minus, but the sign will be of the bigger number. So 210. Okay. Plus minus minus, but the sign will be of bigger number. So it will be 178. So the 31st term of the AP is equal to 178. So children, hope you understood this explanation. So kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.